Hai semua. Hari ni kita akan belajar dan mengenal arnab. Okey, kita ada arnab warna putih, warna koko dan campuran putih dan koko. Arnab suka makan daun. Tengok arnab makan daun. Okey. Si arnab makan daun. Cuba bagi anak makan daun. Bagi anak makan daun. Okey, pandai. Ambil lagi. Okey, arnab ni dia ada bulu. Nampak ni? Dia macam berbulu.
Hello children, these are my hamsters. There are two of them. One of them is called Amy, the other one is called Jeremy. You must spend lots of time with the hamsters. First, you must also give them water to drink, fresh water, so that they will not go thirsty. You put it in a bottle and put it here like this. Then you must also feed them with hamster food. This is the hamster food. It is made out of different types of vegetables and beans and nuts. So we just give them some food here. Put it in this tray with some sunflower seeds, and then you put it into the cage like this. And the hamsters are very smart. They will know how to feed themselves and take care of themselves. So we must love the hamsters and must make sure you take care of them. See, they're so thirsty. They're drinking water, and the other one just jump inside the bowl to eat the food. See you.